How to fix Wi-Fi not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, watch this video till the end. So first of all guys, you have to just simply open settings and again open Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi, and after that turn it on again and check and connect to the network and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then again open journal, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. So guys, simply shut down your iPhone 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then again open settings and then open Wi-Fi, and from here guys simply tap on that warning button, tap on copy password. So guys, simply copy password and forget this network, and after that turn it off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and from here guys paste password and tap on join and reconnect your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then I will suggest you to do reset network setting. For that you have to just simply open journal, and from here guys scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and from here guys simply tap on reset, tap here reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.